Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Enjoying the beautiful snow outside here. We've got a winter wonderland today, as you can see. It's absolutely puking outside. Got the snow, got the plow coming. You can hear him off in the distance. Take a look at what he's doing. Well, just another beautiful day in the mountains. You can see behind me, there's a lot of snow today. I've already started plowing part of the vehicle. So, part of the driveway. You see here, we've got quite a bit of snow today. It was supposed to be trash day. So you can see it's an absolutely beautiful day up here in the Southern California mountains. I hope you all have a blessed day. Adios.